Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to explore how to manage multi-trigger bot reply in WhatsJet. Let's get started. In WhatsJet, multi-trigger bot reply are essential for creating a dynamic, responsive, and efficient chatbot experience, enhancing customer satisfaction and engagement. This results in more flexible and reliable interactions, improving both customer experience and operational performance. Now we will see how to manage multi-trigger bot replies in WhatsJet. Click on the Create New Bot Reply button. Choose a bot reply from Simple Bot Reply, Media Bot Reply, or Advanced Bot Reply to add a multi-trigger bot reply. Enter the name for bot reply in the designated field. Write the text you want to include in reply body of your added bot reply. Also, you are free to use following dynamic variables for caption, which will get replaced with contacts concerned field value. Select the trigger type for the bot from drop-down menu. Now add your reply trigger subject. To trigger this single bot on multiple trigger subjects, you can add comma-separated multi-trigger subjects from here. If one of these subjects matches the received message based on the set trigger type condition, your bot reply will trigger, and the interaction will continue. Validate the switchery to test the bot response using a test message. Here you can view how the bot reply you added will get multi-triggered based on added reply trigger subject. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.